Hello friends, welcome to my channel. The topic of today's video is character guessing. We have a total of 16 questions, and if you answer correctly, you will earn points. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like. Enjoy watching. Let's go. Round 1. Who is this character? Well done. That's the correct answer. Round 2. Who is this character? Cool, that's right again. Round 3. Who is this character?
Time for trouble.
Super, you're very smart.
Time for trouble.
Round 4. Who is this character?
Brawl is my name. Geology is...
Well done. That's the correct answer.
Brawl is my name. Geology is...
Round 5. Who is this character?
Let's do this.
Cool. That's right again.
Let's do this.
Round 6. Who is this character?
Don't mess with the ball.
Super, you're very smart.
Don't mess with the ball.
Round 7. Who is this character?
Rosa is my name, botany is my game.
Well done. That's the correct answer.
Rosa is my name, botany is my game.
Round 8. Who is this character?
Let's do this.
Cool. That's right again.
Let's do this.
Round 9. Who is this character?
100% certified pirate.
Round 10. Who is this character? 100% certified pirate. Round 11. Who is this character? 100% certified pirate. Round 12. Who is this character? 100% certified pirate. Round 13. Who is this character? 100% certified pirate. Round 14. Who is this character? 100% certified pirate. Round 15. Who is this character? 100% certified pirate. Round 16. Who is this character? 100% certified pirate. Round 17. Who is this character? 100% certified pirate. Round 18. Who is this character? 100% certified pirate. Round 19. Who is this character? 100% certified pirate. Round 20. Who is this character? 100% certified pirate. Round 21. Who is this character? 100% certified pirate. Round 22. Who is this character? 100% certified pirate. Round 23.
100% certified pirate.
Super! You're very smart.
100% certified pirate.
Round 10. Who is this character? Well done. That's the correct answer. Round 11. Who is this character? Cool. That's right again.
Time to go to work.
Round 12. Who is this character?
Try some snake oil extract.
Super. You're very smart.
Try some snake oil extract.
Round 13. Who is this character?
Time to make a splash.
Well done. That's the correct answer.
Time to make a splash.
Round 14. Who is this character? Cool. That's right again. Round 15. Who is this character?
Time for trouble.
Super. You're very smart.
Time for trouble.
Round 16. Who is this character?
El Primo.
Well done. That's the correct answer.
El Primo.
Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to rate this video and subscribe to the channel. Also, you can leave any comment. See you in the next video.